Hello, Lightseekers. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to experience the universe beyond the physical? To travel through dimensions, explore new realms, and unlock the mysteries of your own consciousness? Welcome to Lightseekers. Today, we're diving into one of the most profound spiritual practices, astral projection. And we're going to share with you the most powerful astral projection technique. Astral projection, or out-of-body experience, OBE, is a natural, yet often untapped, human ability. It's the art of consciously leaving your physical body behind and exploring the non-physical, astral planes. And while many people believe that this ability is reserved for special individuals, the truth is that anyone can learn how to project consciously. It's all about preparation and technique. People often ask, is astral projection the same as a near-death experience? Does it require you to have psychic abilities or special gifts? The answer is no. Astral projection is a skill, just like meditation or lucid dreaming. And with the right technique and mindset, you can master it. One of the most common misconceptions about astral projection is that it happens to people with supernatural powers or heightened psychic abilities. But this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, most people who experience astral projection aren't psychic at all. According to experts like Wagner Borges, a well-known researcher in this field, astral projection is a natural human ability. Something we all have the potential to experience. The real challenge is overcoming the mental blocks that hold us back. Most of us are so focused on the material world, on our daily problems, jobs, relationships, that we don't even realize we have this innate ability to explore higher realms. Here's where many people go wrong. They approach astral projection with anxiety or fear, believing it's something mystical or dangerous. And when they lie down to project, their minds are still stuck in the physical world, thinking about work, bills, or daily responsibilities. This is the biggest mistake. In order to leave the physical plane, you have to let go of it completely. Your thoughts, worries, and physical sensations all act like chains, anchoring you to your body. So how do you break free from those chains? By changing the way you prepare for astral projection. Now, let's get to the core of what you came for. The most powerful astral projection technique. This method combines ancient wisdom with modern insights, and it's been proven to help both beginners and advanced practitioners achieve a conscious out-of-body experience. Step 1. Prepare your mind and environment. Before you even attempt to project, you need to set the stage. Astral projection isn't something you can force. It requires a calm, meditative state. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Dim the lights, burn some incense or essential oils to create a peaceful atmosphere, and make sure you're comfortable. Step 2. Clear your mind of daily clutter. This is crucial. When you lay down, your mind will naturally replay everything from your day. The things you need to do tomorrow, your conversations, your worries. This mental noise blocks your ability to shift into the astral plane. You need to clear this noise by focusing on the present moment. One technique to help with this is to read a book on astral projection or spiritual subjects right before bed. Reading about astral travel primes your subconscious mind and helps you focus on the astral realm rather than on the physical world. Step 3. Work with your energy. Your body is made up of energy centers, often called chakras. When these energy centers are balanced and flowing freely, astral projection becomes much easier. Before you attempt to project, spend a few minutes working on your energy. Here's how. Lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Imagine a bright light radiating from your hands. Place your hands over your body, and focus on feeling this energy flowing through you. If you want, you can focus on specific chakras. The third eye, located between your eyebrows, is especially important for astral projection. This will help you become more in tune with your energy body, which is the key to leaving the physical behind. Step 4. Initiate the exit. Now that your body is relaxed and your energy is flowing, it's time for the actual projection. One of the most effective methods for this is called the rope technique. Imagine there's a rope hanging above you, and your astral body is climbing this rope. Visualize yourself reaching up, hand over hand, pulling yourself out of your physical body. At first, you might just feel a tingling sensation or a lightness. That's a good sign. Keep focusing on the movement. Don't rush it. Soon, you'll begin to feel yourself separating from your physical form. Step 5. Overcome fear. At this point, many people experience fear. Fear of the unknown, fear of losing control, or fear of what might happen. But remember, Astral projection is a completely natural process. Your consciousness is simply shifting to a higher frequency. There's no danger here. All you need to do is relax. Whenever fear arises, remind yourself that you are safe and in control. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in peace and breathe out fear. The more you relax, the easier it will be to complete the projection. Once you've separated from your body, you'll find yourself in a new, exhilarating state of awareness. The world around you will seem more vibrant, more fluid. Colors may appear brighter, and you'll feel an incredible sense of freedom. You might even notice that you can move simply by thinking. No walking, no physical effort. Just pure, conscious movement. This is the astral plane. And once you're here, the possibilities are endless. You can explore distant realms, meet spiritual guides, or even just float peacefully, enjoying the sensation of being free from the physical world. Step 6. Return to the body. When you're ready to come back, don't panic. Returning to your physical body is as simple as thinking about it. You don't need to force anything. Just focus on your physical self, and you'll naturally begin to reintegrate. As you return, take a moment to reflect on your experience. You might not remember everything immediately, but often, insights will come to you throughout the next day. And that's it, the most powerful astral projection technique. It's simple, but effective. By preparing your mind, working with your energy, and using a proven method like the rope technique, you can unlock the door to the astral realm. If you're ready to experience the vastness of the astral world for yourself, I encourage you to start practicing today. Remember, like any skill, astral projection takes time and patience. But once you master it, the rewards are incredible. You'll gain a deeper understanding of yourself, the universe, and the true nature of reality. If you like this kind of content, please share, like, and subscribe. Keep seeking the light. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.